Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to look the saved posts and videos on LinkedIn. So first of all, open your LinkedIn application. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to save any post or videos. Click on any of the videos here. Now, select this three dot icon on the top right. And on the third option, you can see save. Click on it. So this is the way how you save a post. So now to look at the saved post, go to your home, click on your profile icon, and here there's the option of saved post. Click on it. So here you can find all the saved posts that you have done. So this is the easy way to save any post and look for it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.